Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sell a digital product with your Teachable account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sell a digital product with Teachable anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing courses or coaching, you know that sometimes you can upsell into digital products like ebooks or PDFs. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and sell a digital product, here on the left side, you're going to click on digital downloads. It looks like a download button. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be in the digital download section. So they let you know you can sell ebooks, workbooks, guides, PDFs. And what you want to do is click here, create digital download. Okay, so next you're going to see these two options. So you can sell a downloadable file. So this might be like a PDF, or you can have somebody pay, and then once they pay, they get directed into a link. So it could be like a private Vimeo or a private YouTube video. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to click here on downloadable files. And then you want to click on continue down here on the bottom right. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and start building out this digital product. So what is the download title? If I'm selling a Chinese food recipe course, maybe this is going to be a chow mein shopping list. Okay, and here we'll just write a quick description, list of ingredients to make chow mein. Okay, and then category. So go ahead and choose whichever one applies to you. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and do this one, information guide. Okay, next you want to click on continue here on the bottom right. Okay, so here you can add a thumbnail. So on the checkout page, this is what they're going to see. So you want to go ahead and create some sort of image that conveys the idea of what they're going to be purchasing as this digital product. If you need help with this, you can actually go to Fiverr or Upwork and have somebody create this pretty cheap. So let me go ahead and upload a picture. Okay, I got an image right here. I'm going to click upload. Okay, so now we have a thumbnail. So next you want to click on continue here on the bottom right. Okay, so this is for delivery. So do you want them to be able to download it immediately inside their Teachable, or do you want to redirect them to another link that has the download? That's up to you. For me, I like to have it directly inside Teachable. That way they don't have to get routed around. So I'm going to click upload. And I'm going to choose the file. Okay, I grabbed a PDF. I'm going to click on upload. Okay, now you can see the PDF right here, and I'm going to click on continue. Okay, now you get to choose the price. So is it a one-time purchase and then they get access to the download? Is it some sort of a payment plan? Is it a free download? For the purpose of this video, I'm going to click on one-time purchase and then continue. Okay, now we can go ahead and set up the price. So first you want to choose the currency. I worked in US dollars, and then you want to choose the amount. Let's say we're charging $99 for this. Okay, here you can go ahead and add in a time frame. Special deal this month for students. Okay. And you can do another subtitle if you want. Act now. Okay. Here you can go ahead and add in more information about the price. Usually a price of $2.99. Okay. And next, you want to click on continue down here on the bottom right. Okay. So here's what it looks like. So when they get to the checkout page, this is what the thumbnail and the description is going to look like. And we want to click on finish. Okay. So next you want to go ahead and review everything. You can add more information to the description if you wish to do so. If not, go ahead and click on publish here on the top right. Okay. Now you can see that it's published. It has this turquoise button here. And in order to get the link, all you're going to do is over here on the left, click on pages. Okay, so here is the link right here. So we can go ahead and click on these three dots, and then we'll copy the link. So now we can share this digital download link in our Twitter, Facebook post, YouTube page, or wherever you normally sell your digital products. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sell a digital product with your Teachable account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.